want to clear because it's really tarnishing my name. You all know that I was being in cells, and then from there I went to jail. Since I came back from jail, a lot of people have been calling my business number, telling me that they're giving money to some people to give it to me. And after I came back, I couldn't take their numbers to call them to say thank to them. You guys should know, Polo appreciate any little thing anyone does for her. Not to talk of someone giving me money to support me and my son. I want to say that I said those God celebrity who people gave her money to send to me and my mother, which she was even posting the reference on her page. Any money that she sent, she posted on her page. I have not received any money from any person since I came back from jail. People have been calling me from UK influence, telling me that they've given money to someone to give it to me. And then, and they say thank you so much. I have not received any money from anyone aside those called celebrity. The woman called yesterday said she's called Ma Alice when I was in town doing delivery. When she called, she said she has given money to this DKB, 4,000. She said she's called Ma Alice. My English is no good. She has given DKB 4,000 to give it to me. And I didn't sit down. And she doesn't want to see me. She doesn't know me. She doesn't even want to see me. The woman talked very bitterly. So I picked up my phone. I called DKB. I called him. And I was thinking maybe he was busy, so he was going to return my call till now. He has not returned my call. Guys, I beg you, save me from this trauma. I have not received any money. If I have received, I will thank you. Because I really appreciate. Aside those called celebrity, I have not received any money from anyone that you think you've given money to give it to me. I love you guys. Please, let's respect ourselves. You know, I'm a grateful being. Thank you.